If you're dreaming of a Caribbean getaway that combines luxury with family fun, let me tell you about Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana in the Dominican Republic. This five-star all-inclusive resort has been making waves since it opened in 2015, and after looking at everything it offers, I can see why guests keep coming back for more. Let's start with the accommodations, because where you sleep can make or break your vacation. Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana offers four main room categories, each designed with modern Caribbean elegance in mind. The ocean view rooms are your entry-level option, but don't let that fool you into thinking they're basic. At 495 square feet, these rooms are spacious enough to actually move around without bumping into your luggage every 5 minutes. You'll get either a king bed or twin beds, depending on your preference, plus a private balcony where you can sip your morning coffee while watching the Caribbean Sea wake up. The rooms come loaded with amenities like a minibar that's restocked daily, a coffee maker for those who can't function without their caffeine fix, a flat-screen TV for lazy afternoons, and a safe for your valuables. The marble bathrooms are a nice touch that adds to the luxury feel, and you'll find premium linens and bathrobes waiting for you. If you want to upgrade your ocean views, the oceanfront rooms offer the same square footage but with direct access to the beach and panoramic ocean views that'll have you taking photos every hour. For those who need more space to spread out, the junior suites bump you up to 743 square feet with a separate living area, perfect for families or couples who want room to breathe. At the top of the luxury ladder, you'll find the presidential suite, a massive 1,496 square feet of pure indulgence with 2 bedrooms, a living room, dining area, and private terrace. This suite even comes with butler service, so you can live like royalty for a week. All rooms feature 24-hour room service, because sometimes you just want to eat pizza in your pajamas at midnight, and who are we to judge? Now let's talk about the food, because let's be honest, half the reason we go all-inclusive is to eat our weight in gourmet meals without worrying about the bill. Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana takes dining seriously, with 5 restaurants that cover everything from beachside grilling to authentic Italian cuisine. La Palapa is the beachfront grill where you can dig your toes in the sand while enjoying fresh seafood and grilled meats. There's something magical about eating lobster while waves crash just a few feet away, and their beach barbecue nights are legendary among guests. If you're craving Mexican food, La Hacienda serves up authentic tacos, fresh guacamole, and margaritas that pack just the right punch. They even offer tequila tastings for those who want to become connoisseurs, or at least pretend to be. La Trattoria brings Italy to the Caribbean with handmade pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and tiramisu that'll make you forget you're supposed to be watching your diet on vacation. They offer pasta-making classes too, so you can impress your friends back home with your newfound culinary skills. The market is your international buffet option, and before you roll your eyes at another hotel buffet, this one features live cooking stations and themed nights that keep things interesting. Whether it's Asian night or Mediterranean evening, there's always something different to try. The sushi bar rounds out the dining options with fresh sushi, sashimi, and Asian fusion dishes. They even offer sushi-making classes, because apparently this resort wants to turn everyone into a chef. When it comes to drinks, you've got 3 bars to choose from. The beach bar keeps you hydrated while you soak up the sun, the lobby bar offers a more refined atmosphere for evening cocktails, and the pool bar features swim-up access, so you don't even have to leave the water to grab a cold beer. The pool and beach situation at Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana is where this resort really shines. With 3 distinct pools, there's something for everyone's mood and age group. The main infinity pool is a showstopper at 82 feet long, creating that seamless blend between pool water and ocean horizon that makes for incredible photos. The adults-only pool offers a quieter escape where you can actually hear yourself think, while the family pool comes complete with water slides that'll keep the kids entertained for hours. All pools feature swim-up bars, because why should you have to get out of the water to order another drink? The poolside cabanas are available for rent if you want that extra level of luxury and privacy. Pool attendants are always nearby to bring you fresh towels or adjust your umbrella, and the poolside service means you can order food and drinks without ever leaving your lounger. But the real star of the show is the beach itself. This 300-meter stretch of white sand and calm Caribbean waters is what postcard dreams are made of. The beach service includes comfortable chairs, umbrellas, and towel service, so you don't have to worry about lugging beach gear around. Water sports enthusiasts can try their hand at snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, or jet skiing. The calm waters make it perfect for beginners, while the nearby coral reefs offer enough marine life to keep experienced snorkelers interested. The beach bar ensures you're never far from a cold drink, and there's something incredibly relaxing about sipping a rum punch while your toes are buried in warm sand. When you're ready to move beyond eating and lounging, Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana offers plenty of activities to keep you busy. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped for a resort, with modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment that would make your home gym jealous. They offer group fitness classes including yoga, Pilates, and Zumba, plus personal training sessions for those who want to maintain their workout routine or try something new. The resort's entertainment program runs throughout the week with live music, dance shows, themed nights, and beach parties that create a fun atmosphere without being overwhelming. You'll find local bands performing traditional Dominican music, international acts that get everyone dancing, and cultural shows that give you a taste of local traditions. The activities desk can arrange excursions to nearby attractions, from ziplining adventures to cultural tours of local villages. Evening entertainment ranges from laid-back acoustic sets perfect for romantic dinners to high-energy dance parties that go late into the night. The spa and wellness facilities deserve special mention because they offer a true escape from everyday stress. The spa features a full menu of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and hydrotherapy sessions. Their signature Caribbean spice massage uses local ingredients and techniques that'll leave you feeling like a new person, while the coconut body scrub takes advantage of the island's natural bounty. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounge where you can unwind before or after your treatment. They even have a couples treatment room for romantic spa experiences. The spa operates from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, and booking in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak season. You can reserve treatments at the spa reception or through the Hyatt app, which makes planning your relaxation time convenient. Since this isn't an adults-only resort, families will appreciate the extensive kids' facilities and programs. The Kids Club caters to children aged 4 to 12 with supervised activities that include arts and crafts, games, and educational programs about local wildlife and culture. The club operates throughout the day, giving parents the freedom to enjoy adult activities while knowing their children are safe and entertained. The family pool area includes water slides and shallow sections perfect for younger swimmers, while the beach offers calm waters ideal for kids to play safely. The resort organizes family-friendly activities like beach volleyball, treasure hunts, and movie nights under the stars. Many of the restaurants offer kid-friendly menus with familiar favorites alongside more adventurous options for young palates willing to try something new. The larger suites provide enough space for families to spread out, and many rooms can accommodate up to 4 adults or a family configuration with children. The location in Cap Cana puts you within easy reach of some incredible attractions and experiences. Just 10 kilometers away, you'll find the famous Punta Cana Beach, known for its pristine sand and crystal-clear waters. Skate Park, located 15 kilometers from the resort, offers eco-adventures including zip-lining, cave exploration, and swimming in natural cenotes. It's like having a natural theme park right in your backyard. Dolphin Island is only 8 kilometers away, where you can swim with dolphins and learn about marine conservation efforts. Golf enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that world-class golf courses are just 5 kilometers from the resort, including the famous Punta Espada course designed by Jack Nicklaus. The resort's concierge can arrange transportation and excursions to all these attractions, making it easy to explore beyond the resort boundaries. The nearby Cap Cana Marina offers deep-sea fishing charters and sailing excursions, while the historic city of Higüey, with its famous basilica, provides a glimpse into Dominican culture and religious traditions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.